According to you, is the googly really the one that's likely to come from overseas? We've seen what's been happening to bond yields. We are also seeing what's happening to crude oil prices. And I say this in the context of domestic inflation now perhaps not as major a concern as it was 2 or 3 months ago.
Well, I think the first googly came from vegetables, the tomato, I think, which spiked the overall inflation to 7.4% in July. That's how the quarter started. And then I think the vegetable prices are volatile. We know they correct also because crops have a very short cycle, and vegetable prices have already come down. Actually, tomato prices have been crushed to a great extent. So that fear was gone. And then suddenly the oil prices started rising, and which have been extremely volatile. So the central bank, and not because the global growth is very strong, I think it's largely because of the geopolitics and supply cuts, etc. So that will remain a risk even if the global economy slows down. I think the risk of oil always remains with us. And on top of that, I think the hawkish stance from the Fed, and even I think the ECB is going to continue with its rate hike. I think that's our house view. So I think all that raised the yields to a level I think not seen in last 16 years. And as a result, I think there was a capital outflow, and the dollar was strengthening because capital was going towards the US, and as a consequence, I think the rupee was also weakening. So RBI had to also an additional battle of streamlining movements in the rupee. So I think these are all the these are all the known factors, I think. But there could be other googlies also, which we really don't know of. So I think, as I said earlier, even the vegetable inflation spike was not anticipated at all. I think it just happened suddenly.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.